Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, today we have the JDS-20 drone. This drone here is one of those drones that looks really cool at night. It's got a lot of LED lights on it. It is foldable. See, I can move the arms in here. Can you see that? Micro SD card. I have a micro SD card in it, so it records the video to the micro SD. It has a flight time about 18 minutes, and it does come with a controller. The bonus with this drone is for the price, you actually get one battery in the drone plus 2 more batteries. 3 batteries totals, which is an awesome deal, you know, because that's what we want, more flight time. It has brush motors. On the website it says brushless, but I think it's because they look like brushless motors. So what I'm gonna do is just take it for a quick flight right now and see what it does. There we go. All right, so there's no GPS or any sort of calibration in here, pretty much. You just pull these out and you fly. I'll show you a screenshot of the app right now. You see the app? There's not much on it. Fly nice and slow in the backyard. There we go. I don't know if the camera's on. If it is, I'll show you some video of what it looks like, and you can tell me if that looks pretty decent or not. Bring it down. Oops, I didn't see that tree there. Let me start this again. I've got it stuck in a tree. Hang on a second. All right, so that was a learning lesson. When you come down, if there's a tree below you, do not land on the tree. But you see how easy I got it out of the tree? I've got the camera pointed up a bit. You can see I got the props in the frame, so I'm gonna fix that. I'm just gonna bring it down. You can see on my little display, the camera, I have it pointing down a bit, much better. One of these buttons is a speed and one's a flip. Let me see if I can figure out which is which. That was the kill switch. Okay, this one here is the kill switch. Okay, so we know it's durable, so I just smashed it on some cement there. So I know this is a kill switch. So the next one must be speed. Let's try that. Ah, that's a flip. I have to read the instructions. Flip again. There we go. Okay, so I know which one's the kill switch. I know which one's the flip. I've got the controls backwards. Go to the other way. There we go. Good thing nobody pays me to do this. 3 speeds. There we go. So now let's just try the full speed. I'm gonna go backwards and forward. That's way too fast. Now it does have a draw mode on here, so I'll put it on draw mode right now. And I'll do a circle. And there it comes back to me in the circle. Whoa, circle mode. You gotta be careful with that. Take that off. It does have headless mode as well. So if you're a beginner and you're learning how to fly drones, then you have headless mode and you can do the normal beginner stuff, so you can get used to the joysticks pretty easy. And like I said, it flies for 18 minutes and that's pretty much it. I'm still on the first battery here. It could keep on flying for a long time. If I haven't shown you already, these are the types of drones that I like to do this with. Watch. I just whip them around the backyard because you can, you don't have to worry about crashing them. They're pretty much indestructible. Fly them anywhere you want. And I'll bring it back over for a nice soft landing. Right here, bring it down. So that's the JD-20S, and like I said, if it was nighttime right now, everything glows on this thing. It glows here, it glows around the sides, it glows in the front, it glows on the bottom. It's really cool looking at night. So if you want to have a lot of fun at night, get one of these and fly them around. Right now I'm going to show you a quick unboxing so you see what comes in the box. You'll see the 3 batteries and all the other goodies you get with this. And after that, I'll say my goodbyes. And now a quick unboxing of the JD-20S. First thing in the box is the manual for the drone and manual for the app. Here we have the drone itself and the controller. Taking a quick look at the drone, we can see it's a foldable drone. Let's pull out the arms so we can get a good look at it. And once again, there's awesome marketing here. Someone came up with that name. Very good, drone. It's actually kind of a sleek drone. It looks pretty good. Like they did a good job with the painting on here. So look at it in the front. Isn't that interesting? And there's the side. There's the back where the battery is. There's the other side and back to the front. Checking out the bottom. Do you see anything on the bottom? Yes, I see a micro SD spot right here, so that's good. You can record video from the camera right onto the micro SD slot. I like the design of the motors. They make them look like brushless motors, but these are definitely brush motors. Nice LED lights. Now, one thing I've noticed with drones in 2019 is they're making them look much more cooler in the air. In other words, they're adding more light. So you have some translucent plastic here, here, on this area and in the front. So if I power it on, there's going to be some power in there. There we go. See all the blue? And glowy here, glowy there. It looks like the Starship Enterprise. A little bit there. Anything on the bottom? Well, you got some cool green at the back. There's your 1080p camera in the front. You can push it a little bit up, and you can also adjust it all the way down 90 degrees. Checking out the battery, I can see it's a 3.7 volts, so that's a 1-cell battery at 1800 milliamps of power. Next, we'll take a quick look at the controller. This controller, I've shown it many times before. It's a very common controller. These antennas are for show. They look cool, but they do nothing more than look Cool. On the front you have 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for batteries it takes 3 AA batteries. Also included in the box are 2 extra batteries. So 1 in the drone plus 2 spares. So you got a lot of flight time. You get 2 spare props. 4 landing feet, which are not attached, you have to put these on. USB cable so you can charge up the battery. Tiny Phillips screwdriver. 4 large prop guards. Battery is in the drone, so let's see what the total weight of this drone is. 178 grams. Alright, so thanks for watching the unboxing. If you really like this drone, check out the links below and see what the price is. I have no idea what the price is or if there are coupons. See if it's what you like, especially since you get 2 batteries and a controller. You know, a lot of people could have a lot of fun with this. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Take care and catch you in the next one.